Hello everyone, welcome again to this YouTube channel. How to make money from e-commerce in Nigeria is what we are looking at in this video. Welcome back to my channel where we discuss various ways to make money in Nigeria. In today's topic is all about how to make money from e-commerce in Nigeria. E-commerce has become a booming industry in Nigeria with more and more people taking their businesses online. In this video, I'll be discussing some strategies that you can use to make money from e-commerce in Nigeria. Number one, choose a niche. The first step to making money from e-commerce is to choose a niche that you are passionate about. And also, let me tell you, not just passionate about, choose a niche that people are also interested in. What you are passionate about may not be something that people are interested in. So there must be two things must meet. You must have passion and people must also be interested in what you are passionate about. Because if people are not interested in what you are passionate about, they will not buy from you. So make sure that whatever it is you are passionate about is what people are looking for and what people are going to pay you for. Now, once you've chosen your niche, you can start researching products and supplies in that area. Number two is to choose the right e-commerce platform. There are many e-commerce platforms to choose from in Nigeria. But the most popular ones are Jumia, Konga, Shopify. Jumia and Konga are both online marketplaces where you can sell your products alongside other vendors, while Shopify is a platform that allows you to create your own online store. Number three, build your online store. If you decide to go with Shopify, you need to build your online store, your own online store. This can be a bit daunting if you have never built a website before, but there are many resources available to help you. You can use pre-made templates or hire a web developer to create a custom design. Number four is to source your products. Once you have your niche and your platform, it's time to source your products. You can find suppliers on Alibaba or other online marketplaces. Be sure to choose suppliers with a good reputation and quality products. Number five, market your products. Marketing is key to the success of any e-commerce business and any other business anywhere in the world. Marketing is key. You can use social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to get your products in front of your target audience. Be sure to create high quality images and descriptions of your products to entice customers. Number six, offer great customer service. Customer service is crucial in e-commerce. Respond to customer inquiries and complaints promptly and professionally. Make sure you deliver products on time and provide a good return policy. In conclusion, e-commerce is a great way to make money in Nigeria. Choose a niche, pick the right platform, build your online store, source your products, market your products, and offer great customer service. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your e-commerce business into a profitable venture. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money in Nigeria. I'm going to talk to you in this video that is popping up right now, and make sure that you like this video and share the link of this video with your family and friends. We need to also start an e-commerce business right here in Nigeria. So until I come away again, this video popping up right now is the next you need to watch. So let's go ahead and watch it now.